In this video, we're going to cover how to set up your Amazon Web Services account for the Stealthwatch Cloud service. We're going to start by enabling VPC flow logs. Log into your console and type VPC in the search bar and you'll pull up the VPC menu. This account has 3 VPCs, names and addresses listed next to them. So click on the VPC or VPCs you want to enable. We're going to do just the first one here. And click on Actions, Create Flow Log. For filter, we recommend selecting the All. This will allow us to see both traffic that is blocked and allowed through the security groups. We also need to create a role. The role is going to have permissions to publish the CloudWatch logs log group. If you don't have a role ready set up, it's easiest to click the Set Permissions. And Amazon has it built in already. It's called the Flow Logs role. This is the policy, what it can do. Click Allow. And we'll go back to our previous screen. And now we'll see Flow Logs role in the menu. The destination log group is just a descriptive name for the log. You can label it anything you like. We're going to name it this one Stealthwatch _logs. Once that's done, hit Create Flow Log. And now you've enabled flow logs for this VPC. You can see this one here is actually writing to 2 different log groups, which is also fine. We're going to use Stealthwatch logs to configure the Stealthwatch Cloud service. Next, we are going to create the policy needed for the Stealthwatch Cloud service. You do this through the IAM service. So click IAM, Policies, Create Policy. And the simplest way is to use the JSON and then go to your own Stealthwatch Cloud portal and we'll just copy and paste permissions from the portal. You do this by going to Settings, Integrations. And the first thing that'll pop up is Amazon Web Services, and you can see here that we have our policy written up. So we're going to copy this whole thing and go into here and paste it. We're going to give it a name, and so you can give it any name you want. I think in our documentation we mentioned observable policy, so I'm going to use that for this. And we'll call it Policy for Stealthwatch Cloud. And create policy. Now the observable policy has been created, and the next thing we're going to do is create a role. So let's go to roles. This role is going to now reference the policy we just created. So I'm going to create a new role. It's going to be a cross-account role because you're going to give us the Stealthwatch Cloud account access to yours. So it's this one right here. And the account ID is located in the portal as well. You can click, copy and paste it. And then additionally, we would recommend you this require external ID. And this is also available in your portal, but this links your portal to that role. And so you would paste your portal name, which is also in the URL, and do that to create the role. And we're going to reference the policy we just created called observable policy. Review. And we'll call this name Stealthwatch. Role. You can give it a description if you like as well. All right, so now we've created a policy which gives us permissions, and we've created a role that references that policy that now we're going to input into the Stealthwatch Cloud portal. Now that we have enabled VPC flow logs, create a policy and a role, we need to enter the information into the Stealthwatch Cloud service. Go to Settings, Integrations, then Credentials. Here's where you enter the ARN from the IAM service. Click on IAM, Roles, then the actual role we just created, which was Stealthwatch role. Copy the ARN, then paste it into here. We're going to give it a name called Demo. Additionally, we need to add the VPC flow log group name. If you don't recall it, we can go back into your console and look at CloudWatch logs, and it was this one here, Stealthwatch_logs. We'll just take the name of this log file and add it here. It may take about 30 seconds to 1 minute for it to finish adding the flow log groups in this view. Once the loading icon goes away, you can scroll down and see that Stealthwatch logs has been added and that the region the logs are located in is US West 2. Additionally, you can see the status of your sensor by going to the sensors icon on the top right, and you'll see that this log group is now also added into the portal. At this point, we've completed adding this Amazon account with VPCs into the Stealthwatch Cloud service. Thank you.